as you can, oh, okay, I just figured it out. While I'm videoing with this phone, it will not let me go over to an auxiliary audio source and play through the Bluetooth piece. But if anybody comes to look at it, I'll show you that. Anyway, I've been through the other video, been through most of the upgrades. Not all the extras. I still have the original pulley. And I have a shop manual for it and some other stuff. But let me go ahead and give it a start, and y'all can listen to it. What's the temperature outside? 47 degrees today. That's a garage temperature maybe. It's full right now, so I'm getting a decent range. It's showing 21,146 miles total. All right, let's give it a start. It's on right now, as you can see. So the fuel pump's already up. I'm just going to crank it.